Aries, this is your channel messages for my Aries placements for the 5th of November. Aries, your channel messages is the Ace of Wands. Now the Ace of Wands is rightfully Aries card. Aries is the first zodiac sign when it comes on to tropical in astrology. I don't believe, I'm not gonna say I don't believe in a sidereal astrology, but if sidereal people believe in the Big Bang, then Aries would have been the first. Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius would have been the first. Could that be possible? Could we have already had multiple Big Bangs? Like the first one was Aries, the fire, and then we had Taurus, the earth, then we had Gemini, the air, Cancer, the water, and then we had fire again, like another explosion in space again, and that one was Leo. And then we had the other signs, another explosion came, and that was Aries. I'm getting the Big Bang. It all started with a big bang, right? Or I'm getting a brilliant idea you wish you thought of sooner, because, bruh, this is right up your alley. I'm getting something about your head. Maybe this is a new headwear, not sure, but let us see what we can get from this reading. Let's go. What is your soulmate tarot spread? Who is your soulmate, Aries? We have the 5 of Swords. Well, his soulmate is very vindictive. I'm getting he's a thief, he scams, he cheats, he backstabs, and basically if you don't give him what he wants, you will be another victim. Where did you meet your soulmate? The Ace of Cups. No, you meet him on, no, this is not even online. I don't know where you met this man, but we're getting in love with him. Maybe in love with somebody who's evil, have an evil, vindictive, spiteful, personality. Them don't give a fuck about anybody. Them treat everybody like shit except you. Maybe that's something that attracts you. Cause me getting a like that someone is mean to everybody, but they ain't mean to you though. I don't like mean man. I like man who are socially awkward and don't talk, or them very, very shy. That way bitches can't talk to them, or if bitches talking to them, by the time them try to muster up the courage to fucking answer her, I'll already be there saying, bitch, get out of my fucking man's face, bitch. I'm gonna be like, you know what, bitch, you know what? Hold my wig. Excuse me? You talking to my boyfriend? Yeah, what's his name? His name is my boyfriend. Okay, how long you been with him? For my boyfriend years. Okay, are you happy? My boyfriend. Okay, what do two of you have in common? We're getting torn to love each other. That's the common denominator. So this feel like a Harley Quinn and Joker energy. But you know, those two are incapable of actually loving anything except themselves, right? Me getting in common, the man like you, you like him. So I don't know if the man is doing something so him can get in your presence, as in him hacking all of the competitors' phone lines and fucking up them phone lines so them can't call you. Me getting somebody's doing something. Maybe that's why you like them. I'm getting someone's cheating to make you win. So you have 4 man line up and wait for you, the 4 of them shy, making a person, you gotta tell the 4 of them say you're not interested and then come and talk to you and be with you. Somebody is playing the game unfairly and they don't care because they want you. The Lover's card. That's why you have in common. Me getting you would do the same thing for them. Me getting if it was the other side, if the tables were turned and you were trying to pursue them, you wouldn't play fair. I wouldn't play fair. You expect me to stay in a house like this with so much girls for favor play and they expect me to play fair? There's no way I'm going to play fair. No way, not for Flavor Flave's love. What issues do you have to overcome? The World card, you have to overcome time. Because yes, it can be infatuated with somebody now. Do you feel that way 3 months from now? Or was it just a high you were looking for? So I'm getting, yes, you love each other, but see if the love lasts a month, a year, days. Because you're ready for the prison for somebody and you just meet them. For fucking what? Maybe you met a prisoner. Okay. What relationship did you share in a past life? The 9 of Cups. I'm getting both of them used to frequent around liquor. So maybe that's where the spirit hole, you know. I'm getting both of them used to do something with liquor. When it was bartenders or when you used to mess around spirits. That's what I'm getting. Wine, spirit, a lot of cups. Maybe you were servers. How can you deepen the relationship? Don't drink no more. So last lifetime, when you used to drink together and used to deal with spirits. This lifetime, you're not gonna drink no more. Don't take up the bottle again. When you used to drink drink out to the blood clot life together. This life will not go and do it. So I don't know what someone is doing for you in order to not. Maybe that's what it is. Somebody will try to get you for drink. Me getting don't do it. So I don't know somebody's cheating. I don't know if they do a spell upon you, but they're gonna make sure say in a blood clot drink. You're going to make sure. And if you drink, you're gonna drink with them only. I feel like somebody casts a spell over you to make sure say you not drink, nothing you don't drink. It could be a Gemini. Or for protect you from the spirits. Because them know something. I feel like somebody knows exactly why they want you to drink. But I think somebody wants you win or somebody is like, that's dangerous. I ain't doing that. Oh, them on liquor, but I'll be damned if they're intoxicated. I'm sorry. We got program coming out first. We have go outside. We have the high priestess. And we have Taurus. Yes, somebody want you to drink. I'm getting whoever the ear sign is, them is like, no. Them is like, fuck no. I'm getting somebody. You have a man around you, he might make decisions on behalf of you. You hear? But this is not somebody who is a stalker. This is not somebody who you already spit upon them name and bury them name in a blood clot graveyard to make sure that you'll never fucking speak to them ever again. Me getting this as somebody you know who like you, but you don't know so them like you that much. They're protecting you behind your back. They might make decision for you. And I'm getting one of the decisions they made is she don't drink. Even if you go buy liquor bottle like a broke. And if you drink, you go drop and break your blood clot and me getting whoever protect you, them is like, no, she don't drink. She will not drink. This Aries, man. Something about your head. Me getting this bright idea you get. Aries, Taurus. One more. And the strength card, Leo. I'm gonna leave it here until next time. Bye.